In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can get your own WhatsApp link. Peradventure, you are a content creator, you are an internet marketer, you are a business owner, whatever you do, as long as you need a WhatsApp link to make your communication easy and smooth, I'll be showing you how you can get your WhatsApp link easy and simple, okay? So for you to get your WhatsApp link, it's just very simple. You just need to go to your notepad or wherever you can type something. It could be on your WhatsApp, anywhere you know you can type something. And also, mind you, this method works for you if you're using WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp API. Any of the WhatsApp applications you are using, this method will work for you. So right on my notepad, I'll be typing this URL. So just go to your notepad and type HTTPS. Then you add a colon. So then you add double slash. Then you add WA.me. So this is WhatsApp official website, wa.me. So afterwards, you add another slash. So at this point, you want to add your number. And when you're adding your number, ensure that you add your country code to it. Hope you understand. So for me now, I'm from Nigeria. So I'll be adding my country code to this link we are creating. So I'll add plus 234. Then I'll go ahead and add my number. So that is 80. So over there, add your number over there. So once you are done adding your number, at this point you now have your WhatsApp link. So let's test it and see if it will work for us. So I'll just click on open and see if it will take us to WhatsApp. Can you see? Straight to my WhatsApp DM. So guys, basically this is how you get to create your own personal link, your own WhatsApp link. So you can use this link and add to your social media profiles, add to your social media bio. That way people can easily click on it to connect with you on WhatsApp and get to like start a conversation with you. So I believe you got value from this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, drop a comment if it worked for you, and also like this video guys. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.